Hi,
How are you?
I am doing great. Thank you for asking. How are you? How are you today now?
Yeah, I'm also doing great, thank you. And my day is going to fantastic. And I'm always think about positive, like always I'm curious about English language. And this
Oh,
is my first conversation with any girl. Seriously, I'm happy. Yeah. Okay.
oh, it's great.
Please tell me about yourself. Like, where are you calling from, and what's your name, and what's your profession? Little bit.
Okay, my name is Sasikala. I am from Andhra Pradesh state. I'm a
Okay.
housewife and also I'm a teacher. I teach English and mathematics to children. And
Oh, I
also
see.
I'm learning English for better improvement.
Wow, that's great. So you are became a teacher. That's good. So how many student you are teaching in front of student? How many student there?
It's 20 to 30.
So you are teaching in school section and college section.
No, I teach in my Sunday school children's.
Okay, like children,
Uh,
like first standard to. Okay. Oh, I
yes,
see. That's great. Uh,
and also
and
I
by the
teach
way,
my children, my child, my baby.
okay. Oh, I see. By the way, I seen your video on YouTube channel. It was amazing. Seriously. Even I'm watching your video like you were, using a Cambly. You always talk about like communication and do hard work and how to learn everything. I was just, watching, and it was fantastic video for learning. Even sometime I watch your video and learn from new thing like new idea, new technique, new communication. I love it your video, seriously amazing.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Still, I'm
So
learning.
tell me.
Yeah, I have passion to become a
Okay.
YouTuber, and my videos are useful to others who are at beginners, who are not fear to speak English. I want to go
Okay.
role model with them.
Oh my God, you want to become a modeling? That's great. Okay. So please tell me about your journey, about English journey. Like when did you started and how's going, and what's your journey like? Please tell me. Why did you choose, English language? What is a behind reason?
Yeah, sure. I started my YouTube channel in 2020. It's I think
Okay. Uh-huh.
Uh, Yeah, I speak with native speakers in Camly for 3 months. After my subscription end, I can talk with my subscribers and my students and making conversation with them. And also I'm learning English and also I'm practicing with them. So it is well help to me.
Oh, I see.
And
That's great.
yes,
Mm-hmm.
yes. I am learning English from my school days.
Okay.
Up to my 10th class, I studied my mother language in Telugu medium.
Oh, I see.
After my 10th intermediate and my engineering, I studied in English medium. So
Okay.
that's and also I have some fear in at college. I cannot speak
Mm-hmm.
very well with my friends and my teachers. I have some nervous in speaking
Okay.
English. So
Oh,
that's
I
why
see.
yeah, my brother told me you can practice with native speakers, then you can get some knowledge and you can feel free to speak English with them.
Okay.
So I can choose my Cambly, and
Mm-hmm.
also I started my YouTube channel.
Okay, that's great. Seriously, Right now you are advanced level, I can say. You are speaking
Thank
amazing. You learn many things about communication. Seriously, you are
Yes, yes.
speaking rightly way. I love this way, seriously. So please tell me about like how do you practice yourself?
I listen and I watch YouTube channels and also news channels, and also
Okay.
I read Bible in English.
Oh, I
So it
see.
is, yes, it is some helpful to me.
Mm-hmm.
And also I read children's books, like second, third standard books.
Okay.
So
So, tell me.
yeah, ask me.
Yeah, I want to tell you what about your family background, like what is the environment, English environment and native language, what kind of?
My family.
Yeah, about environment, English, is this over there English environment, like in your side?
Yes, yes. My husband also English teacher.
Oh, I see.
Now he is now not doing his job. He's resigned his job and he's completely working for his church.
Okay. Oh, I see.
So
That's
he also teach me how to speak and how to become fluently, how to build up our body language, and practicing with others, how to communicate, how to introduce yourself, myself. Like he guide me, and he also support me.
yeah, this is good thing, like your husband is supporting you about English language. Definitely you will become a success person one day. And
Yes.
always I pray for you, like you will become a YouTuber, you can teach, you can be you will become a like good professor in future. If you do hard
Thank
work,
you so
definitely
much.
you will get.
Yes,
Just
doing
keep
hard.
going, teach more and more with your front of like students. Definitely you will get. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Yeah, tell me
So
what is about you?
okay, actually in my side, like my introduction, like my name is Samir and I'm calling from Mumbai. Okay. And like I'm learning a English language, like I was also using a Cambly app. It was amazing experience.
Yes, yes, yes.
Because my job related, nowadays I'm preparing my interview like about in ground staff job, we can say aviation sector. So that's why reason I'm improving
What sector?
aviation, we can say. Do you know in the airport sector, like
Yes, yes, airport.
the passenger customer service,
Yes.
boarding pass, so this
Yeah.
kind of job I'm preparing nowadays. Yeah.
So master should they know English and different type of English. They are from different states, USA, UK. So
Yeah,
you,
absolutely. That's why region English is necessary over there. It's very
yes.
important. And if you talk about interview over there, like a 5 to 6 round is there. And
Oh,
yeah, it's very tough job. It's very tough interview. Always like interviewer take an interview in English language. If you
oh,
have a great command for English, if you have a great knowledge, well communication, then they will try to hire you. Otherwise, immediately they will reject. So
oh.
it's very important. Yeah.
Yes, 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 it is very important. Nowadays, English is very important to children, to everyone. Nowadays,
Yes.
everyone going to one state to other states. Definitely, everyone should learn English. We cannot learn English. We cannot leave other states. And also, you teach our children's next generation.
Yes, yes, absolutely. And nowadays, every parents trying to take a admission for children like English medium. Our India is developing, converting to English
Yes.
language. We can. because
Yes,
in
you are
not
right.
now, in future time, definitely everyone can speak.
Yes.
Yeah, English language, it's very important. And this is true, like if you want to make a career in a multinational company, then you have to learn a English language, because multinational means was like worldwide, people are working over there. So that's why reason it's need, it's necessary, it's requirement communication English language.
Yes, you are right.
Yeah, this is plus point. So that's why reason I'm learning from, YouTube channel, I'm learning from Skype video calling, and sometime I call to audio calling with exchange and WhatsApp, and sometime I read a books like that.
Oh.
So I'm learning, I'm beginner. Yeah.
No, you
Okay.
are not beginner. You are intermediate level. You are, and also your English is so good. You are speaking very
Yeah,
well.
actually I'm not sure about, but I'm learning. Like I started my journey, English journey, since 6 months ago. I started. Then continuously, I'm trying to learning English language, like about vocabulary, about little bit grammar part, about communication, about fairness, hesitation, everything. Day by day, I'm learning. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, all
So
the
this
best.
is.
All the best. You are doing so hard working. You are doing lot of hard working. You are doing.
Thank you very much for appreciate me. Thank you. Yeah.
Keep
And
going on, and
like.
you definitely get good job.
Yes,
I
thank you
hope.
very much. Thank you. So I think we have to stop here, because like our video is going to lengthy. Okay,
Sure,
so
sure, sure.
see you,
See
bye
you.
bye, and
Bye bye. Have a
future
nice
time
day.